अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रिसाइड दुआ रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। रब्बी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर। अल्लाहुम्मा फ़क़िहना फ़िद्दीन रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा। जज़ल्लाहु अन्ना मुहम्मदन मा हुवा अहलुहु जज़ल्लाहु अन्ना मुहम्मदन मा हुवा अहलुहु जज़ल्लाहु अन्ना मुहम्मदन मा हुवा अहलुहु सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। Students, today is your quiz competition Pakistan Study 2059. It's Unit 1 and 2. So first question is, what were the main causes of War of Independence in 1857? So the answer is political, religious and social, military, and the last one is economic. These are the different causes of War of Independence in 1857. Students, next question is, what language was adopted in administrational matters in British rule? Yes, the answer is English replaced Persian as an official language of the administration. The next question is, what was the purpose of Christian missionaries? Yes, the answer is to convert the local population into Christianity and accept them to follow Christian teaching. So the next question is, who led Indian troops in Kanpur War? So the answer is Nana Sahib. Student, next question is, who was Lakshmi Bai? The answer is, she was a Rani of Jhansi. She was the main opposition faced by British after fall of Lucknow. The next question, question number 6 is, why did War of Independence fail? What were the reasons of War of Independence fail? The reasons is lack of unity among Indians, strengths of British. These are the main causes. Next question, when did Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was born? The students, the answer is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was born in 1817 at Delhi. Next question, why was Sir Syed unhappy with the position of Muslims in subcontinent? He felt that Muslims were treated as second-class citizens by the British and the Hindus. This is the reason that's why Sir Syed unhappy with the position of the Muslim. Next question, what message did Sir Syed give to British in his book The Loyal Muhammadan of India? The answer is, in this work he defended the Muslims from the British acquisitions that they were disloyal. Yes, next question number 10 is, what did Sir Syed point out in his work Tabanul Kalam? He pointed out similarities between Islam and Christianity to improve the relations between Muslims and Christians. Student, next question is question number 11. What was the purpose of scientific society? Yes, the answer is to make scientific writings available to the wider market by translation from English, Persian or Arabic into Urdu. This was the purpose of scientific society. Next is, who founded Muhammadan Educational Conference? Yes, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in 1886. So next question is, when did Shah Waliullah was born? Shah Waliullah was born in 21st February in 1703 at Delhi. Next question, Shah Waliullah father was the founder of, yes, it's Madrasa Rahimiyya. And the next question, by which age Shah Waliullah memorized the Quran? 6-year-old. Shah Waliullah was 6 years old when he memorized the Quran. Next question, which of Shah Waliullah's two sons translated the Holy Quran into Urdu? Yes, it's Shah Rafiuddin and Shah Abdul Qadir. What is the meaning of Shah Waliullah Qutbuddin Ahmad name? First one is a Shah. Shah means king. Waliullah means friend of Allah. Qutbuddin means leader of faith. And the last Ahmad means much prize. What were Qutbuddin title? First one Shah Waliullah, Shaykhul Islam, Imamul Hind, Mujaddid, and Shadow of Wisdom. These are the different titles for Qutbuddin. Next question, when did Sir Sayyid Ahmad Brelvi was born? Sayyid Ahmad Brelvi was born near Lucknow in the small town Rai Bareli town in 1786. Next question, when did Sayyid Ahmad Brelvi perform Hajj? In 1821, he performed Hajj. Next question, when did Battle of Plassey fought? Battle of Plassey fought in 1757. Student, next question is Battle of Plassey was won by the British forces under the leadership of, yes, the answer is Sir Robert Clive. Next question, what were the reasons of the fall of Mughal Empire? The reasons of the fall of Mughal Empire were administrative weakness, weak control, military costs, and the succession disputes, succession wars. These are the different reasons fall of Mughal Empire. Next question, who founded the Mughal dynasty in the India? Yes, it's Zahiruddin Muhammad Babur. The student next question is what was the real name of Tipu Sultan or Tiger of Mysore? It's Fateh Ali. Fateh Ali was the real name of Tipu Sultan. Next question, what was written in the Tipu Sultan sword? This is the Tipu Sultan sword and it's written on the sword is my victorious saber is lighting for the destruction of unbelievers. This is the sentence, this is the wording which was written on the Tipu Sultan sword. Next question students, what was the EIC? EIC stand for East India Company and it's founded in 1600. What were three main bases of EIC, East India Company, in early 18th century? Yes, its first one is Bombay. Now its name is Mumbai. It's Madras. The new name of Madras is Chennai. And the last one is Calcutta. Now it's Kolkata. These are the different bases of EIC. What is the meant by term British? The British term means is British is from Britain, which means England, Scotland, Ireland, Wales. These are the related to Britain, and most spoken and official language is English. Next question is what is two nation theory? According to this theory, Muslims and Hindus are two separate nations with their own customs, religions, and tradition. This is the meaning of two nation theory. Student, best of luck for your quiz competition. Hope you all are familiar about these all questions. And if you have a confusion, you can ask. And best of luck for your quiz competition.